Excuse me, oiga. Hi everyone, the word of the day is oiga. Oiga. This is a Spanish interjection and it is similar to excuse me, hang on, or hold on. Oiga is similar to oye. They pretty much mean the same thing, although oiga is a more polite way to say oye. But oiga is not as polite as disculpe, disculpe, which means excuse me. Oiga is used to grab someone's attention really quickly, especially if that person is doing something wrong. Oiga is a conjugated form of the Spanish verb oír, which means to listen or to hear. Oiga is conjugated in present tense in the subjunctive mood. For the personal pronoun usted. Usted oiga. Usted oiga. You listen or you hear. Remember, usted is the polite way to say you. Usted. Oiga works with feminine and masculine nouns and it doesn't have a plural form. Now let's see a few examples using oiga. Oiga, no me empuje. Oiga, no me empuje. Oiga, pero usted me dijo que sí. Oiga, pero usted me dijo que sí. Oiga, no puede pasar ahí. Oiga, no puede pasar ahí. Oiga, ¿qué no dijo que el vuelo era a las 10 de la mañana? Oiga, ¿qué no dijo que el vuelo era a las 10 de la mañana? Oiga, ¿me puede ayudar? Oiga, ¿me puede ayudar? Oiga, no agarre eso. Oiga, no agarre eso. Oiga, salga de aquí. Oiga, salga de aquí. As you can see, usually oiga goes at the beginning of a sentence. Oiga and then the rest of the phrase. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Also, visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. I have some news. I have an email address. The email address is hola@smlessons.com. Feel free to send me suggestions about future lessons. Please send me nice emails. Also, don't forget to leave comments down below. I always love to see that. Leave more examples down below using oiga. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!